Hello, good day. Today we're going to take a look at number bonds. Um, Number bonds are a little bit weird, not difficult at all, but a little bit weird. And they can definitely be very useful for doing math. So let's just take a look at some examples. So let's say we have the number 9. How do we make some number bonds? Well, we can do it like this. So we can say what two numbers, when added together, make the number 9. So there are, of course, many options, but it could be 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. So we're basically breaking down 9 into two numbers that added together will give you that number. So another example could be, I'm just going to make the circles here below. So let's say 1, 8, it could be 2 and 7. So depending on how big the original number is, there are a lot of different combinations. So that's really how you do number bonds. So like I said, a little bit weird and doesn't look to be very useful, but it might be. So I'm going to erase all of this and we're going to look at an example. No, don't save. Okay, let's say we have 33 plus 51. So if you're good at math, you might be able to do this in your head, but if you need a bit of help, you can use number bonds. I mean, you can also just write it down on a piece of paper, but if you want to try to do it mentally, you can try to mentally use number bonds. So let's say I don't want to touch right now the number 33, so I'm going to mess around with 51. So how can I make this math easier? Well, 33 ends in a 3, so I want that to be a 10. So I need to make number bonds here. So one of them is a 7. So 7, well, 51 minus 7 is 40 something. So that's a 4. So 44. We should make that circle bigger. So, and then plus 33 here. So now I have 33 plus 44 plus 7. I can do that a little bit easier. So just a 33 plus 7 is 40. And then it's plus 44. So now I've made it easier. Now I have 4 10s on the left side here, and then 4 10s and 4 1s. And I could basically do the same again if so necessary. So I can say, okay, I want the 10s, and I want the 1s. And again, it's plus the 40. So 4 10s plus 4 10s, well, that's, well, 80, and then plus 4, and that is, of course, 84. So this is one way you can use number bonds to make numbers easier. So I hope you find that useful. Thank you for watching. Bye.